all these semis.
Wait, winter storm warning.
Winter storm warning, ice conditions, exit, use extreme caution at ramp and bridges.
That's so weird. Why are they all stopped there?
I don't know. They're probably scared or something.
Whatever, we're out.
Guys, we've been in traffic for like 2.5,
set the drone up.
3 hours. Traffic is freaking terrible right now. Let me show you a little bit of it. It's so bad I can just get out of the car because it's dead stop. Look at all snow everywhere. There's freaking a bajillion cars. And look how thick the ice is. Like, look at this. It's like so cold. And they just locked me out of the car. Oh, sweet. I was so depressed, I thought I was gonna be locked. Bro, this is crazy. There's semis everywhere and they've had everyone stop. Like, why are they stopped?
These cars are moving now. Slow down, bro.
Bro, this is so crazy. Oh, we're so close, bro.
Look at how bad this road is.
There's just semis everywhere.
It's nothing but ice.
Yeah, that too. There's no police or anyone doing anything about it. Right? Like, isn't that wild?
Yeah.
You would think there'd be some cops like directing traffic or something, but there's nothing. We're just trying to get to the ski mountain, dude. Right now we're just trying to get some food. There's semis everywhere. Me and Ryan just peed in a cup and Christian's starting to get angry. Christian, how mad are you?
I'm just super annoyed. Because I don't know what to expect. What if it's like this the whole ride there?
Bro, the road is so icy.
Dude, we can drive on this.
Yeah, we just have to get past this part.
City right now.
Bro, there's so much semis. They're blocking like the exit too, look. Oh no, you can get on it. You can get on it. Bro, go.
Yeah!
Dude, we got out.
Bro.
We've been stuck there for 6 hours. Dude, there's snow everywhere. Look at this. Bro, look at these semi trucks sideways. Dang. I bet that just like kind of happened. Look at that semi. Oh my goodness. Look at that semi flipped over.
The Jeep.
And there's another car right there. And then that is so backed up. That semi truck's slow. Another wreck. This is like the 6th or 7th wreck. Maybe 10. Another one. Bro, another one. Yeah, they're in there.
Now there's
Another one back there. The roads are just a slate. Oh my goodness. It's freaking cold. We've been driving for like almost a full day. We're not where we're supposed to be yet because of the snowstorm that we drove through, but we'll be there soon. Just another hour of driving. Look at the view. Guys, check out the hotel room. Christian on the bed. Look at this big queen size. Ooh.
Sinking in this.
Dude, that looks super comfy.
I'm literally sinking. It's memory foam.
So comfy. Oh, we're about to go hit up the hot tub. I think it's snowing outside. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's snowing outside. 100%. Guys, we're out here in the mountain. On the most wicked mountain they have out here. It's called Shay's Revenge. Just look at this.
Dude,
you can't see the slope.
No, you can't.
You can't see, but there's a slope on the other side that we're about to go down. Not with the camera out because we're definitely gonna fall. But look at this sight. This guy's about to do it. Skirt! His little daughter's about to do it.
Crazy. I'm skeezed a lot easier.
She's raw. Look at this mountaintop, dude. Look at this view.
So nice.
Now it's time to leave. One of the funnest trips of 2018. Oh, it's so beautiful. Why is it so beautiful?
Oh, we're under a freaking mountain right now.
This is sick.
Imagine the mountains caved in on us.
Oh, dude, that would be So yeah, that was a snowboarding trip. Got home super tired, about to go to sleep, so I'll see you guys later. We didn't get a lot of footage of actually snowboarding because it was so cold out. Like I didn't want my cameras to freeze and stop working, and also because like you couldn't take your hands out of the gloves, so we didn't get a lot of video of us actually snowboarding, but we will next time. So peace out and stay scumpy.